Continue with class 10 mathematics, chapter 12, exercise 12.2. So today in this exercise we are going to be learning a new topic about circles, that is about sectors and segments of a circle. So this exercise is basically on areas of sectors and segments of a circle. Now let us first learn what is a circle. Segments I will do in the next video. Sector. What do you mean by sector of a circle? The portion of a circular region enclosed by two radii is a plural form of radius, and the corresponding arc is called a sector of the circle. That is, if you have a circle, then suppose you have two radius, 1 and 2. Suppose if these are two radius, OA and OB, that is OA and OB are the two radii of the same circle, and this is the angle formed. Then this portion is called the sector of the circle, that is the portion formed by two radii, 1, 2, and the corresponding arc. This portion is known as the sector of a circle. Of course, in fact, the other portion, this is also a sector of the same circle. So in that case, this portion will be named as the smaller sector, that is the minor sector, and this would be as the major sector of the circle. And the angle that is formed, this angle that is formed, we write this as theta, angle AOB. This is called the angle of sector. It's also known as sometimes central angle. Usually we denote it by theta. And if the question expects us to find out the area of the other sector, then in that case we know that the angle of a circle is, total angle of a circle is 360 degrees. So if this is theta, then this angle will be 360 minus theta, the angle of the bigger sector. So this is what we mean by the sector of a circle. That is like you have a cake, then you cut the slice of a cake, then this slice is called as the sector of a circle. Then the area of sector, the area of sector of a circle is actually given by pi r square into theta by 360. So this is that portion of the circle whose area you have to find out. So if it is making an angle theta, then in that case it's like pi r square. We know that this is the area of a circle, theta out of 360 degree when it comes to in terms of angles. So it's quite easy for us to remember. Like if you have to find out area of a sector, then first remember pi r square. Then it's making an angle theta out of the full angle of a circle 360 degrees. So pi r square into theta out of 360 degrees. So this will be the area of the sector. So it's very easy for us to remember. So this will be the area of a sector of a circle. Sometimes also given as 1 by 2 L into R. Here L actually denotes the length of the arc, corresponding arc. Actually this portion of the circle, the length, the arc, this portion is given as L, so length of the arc. And perimeter of the sector will be given by 2. Perimeter means the total length of the boundary, so it's like R, I'll just derive, plus R plus L, so that is 2R plus L. So perimeter of a sector will be 2R plus L. And of course also length of arc, length of arc denoted by L will be given by the part of the circumference of the circle. So for that it's very easy to remember, 2 pi r out of the part that it makes, theta out of 360, 2 pi r into theta by 360 degrees. So that's how we will be using the formulas for area of a sector of a circle, perimeter of a circle, and length of arc of the circle. So with that, let's try to solve some questions on exercise. I actually wanted to keep this video short because my main focus is on solving the exercises for the students, so that at least during this period when you're staying at home, at least you will keep busy with yourself with at least solving these questions at home, which will prove to be beneficial for you. So I'm not focusing on much on the concept and explanation of the formulas and all. If you need that, you can write on the comment below. Definitely I will bring out other videos where we will be discussing about the concepts and the theorems and the formulas about any particular topic which you wish like. So from our team of Teach Nagaland, we will be happy to help you in any possible way that we possibly can. So all you have to do is mention on the comment, write on the comment below on exactly which topics would you want our help. Then definitely we will help you in that particular topic, in any kind of topic, in explanation, in concept, formulas, anything. Now the first question, that is, find the area of the sector of a circle. Straightforward question with radius 6 cm, an angle of sector which is denoted by theta, 60 degrees. So let's straight away go for it. Area of sector is equal to pi r square. I used to remember it like that, theta by 360. So pi, we will use 22 by 7, r 6 square, theta 60 into 360. So 22 by 6 into 6. No need to multiply. Let's write it elaborately so that maybe we can, for cancellation, it will be easier for us. Centimeter square. So 66 or 36, 6. So that's 22 by 6 in 22 into 6 by 7. So 6 to 12, 1 left, 32, 132 by 7 centimeter square. Moving on to question number 2 again, that is, find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Solution, that is, we now here circumference of a circle is given 22 centimeter. We know that circumference is the total length of the boundary of a circle. If we assume the radius of this circle to be r with center O, then we don't have the radius. We have to find out area of a quadrant. Now what do we mean by quadrant? Quadrant means when a circle is cut into exactly 4 portions, then we have 4 quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth quadrant. That means this 360 degree is cut into 4 equal parts, divided into 4 equal parts, each of 90 degree each. So this is what we have of a quadrant. This will be 90 degree, the radius L. Now central angle of a quadrant of a circle, theta, is always 90 degree. Then given circumference of the circle is given to be 22 centimeter. Now we are told to find out area of the quadrant. We can also use area of the, we will use the area of the sector formula, because a sector is always formed by 2 radius and the corresponding arc, so which is clearly given. So all we have to do is, if we can just have the radius, then we can straight away go for area of sector. For that we can use this formula that is given, that this concept that is given to us, that is circumference of a circle equal to 22 centimeter. Now the formula for circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, that is equal to 22 centimeter. So 22 by 7 into r, 22 centimeter. So r will be cross multiplying, 7 goes up, 2 into 22 centimeter, 22. So radius can be, there are other ways to solve this problem also. I'm just doing it the simplest of ways, that is r equals 7 by 2 centimeters. So now we can have area of quadrant. We will just use sector formula, because a quadrant is also a sector again. So 22 by 7 into radius 7 by 2 square. Theta is central angle, that is 90 degrees, so 91, 94 times. So 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 4, so centimeter square. So that will be 1717, 2 ones are 2, 211, so that's going to be 77 by 8 centimeter square. So in the next video we will learn something more about segments. Here in this video we have just learned some basics about what is a sector. Next video we will be learning about segments of a circle, and then we will do some more exercises on exercise 12.2. Signing off from team of Teach Nagaland. Thank you.